I want to ask you, if we go according to what exit polls are saying, by and large, it is a clear win for NDA. So, what were the factors that worked for the group? Was it the promise of double engine Sarkar? Was it the change in perception of Nitish Kumar, in the last few days, or the women voters, or maybe, a cocktail of all of these factors?
Of course, cocktail of all of these factors, but most important factors is, of course, this time around is women voters. As Sabyasachi was saying, that 30% of voters are Muslim voters and Yadav voters, but we should consider the fact that this number of voters is 30%. And if you consider the number of women voters, they have outnumbered men in the entire votes that have been cast in the Bihar Assembly elections this time around. And even if we consider the 30% votes from Yadavs and Muslims, you cannot deny the fact that a good number of voters amongst these 30% will be women. And this is an important calculation to make. I don't know if everybody and the exit polls have made this calculation or not. Definitely, they must have made this calculation as well. But that 30% of votes that RJD or the Mahagabandhan will be getting, that they consider their votes includes women as well. So we will have to see that which way will these women go, because after 1951, this is for the first time that this we are time and again saying that this is the highest percentage of votes that have been cast after 1951 in Bihar elections. So that way it is historical, but also this is to be considered that this high percentage, we should give credit to women also for this high percentage, because as I said earlier also, that if we segregate men voters and women voters in this high percentage of votes cast in Bihar Assembly elections, then 62-63% is of men, and around 67%, 67 or 68% is of women. So 8% of the difference of around 7 to 8% is there, and this difference is women voters.